just a short video to show some of the features that I really like about this INTASTING little pot. Both the hot pot, which we use for our coffee in the morning, or it can be a teapot, complete with an infuser, and I'll show you some of that. First of all, one of the things I really like is there are a number of different presets in the temperatures. You just turn it on, and then you can choose among boil, coffee, warm, or formula settings, and then it has a whole second tier of presets for teas, both black, oolong, white, green, and delicate. Also have the ability to do a custom temp by just pressing that button, and then you've got a full temperature range here from down into, oh, I don't know, how low does it go? Yeah, goes down to about 100 or so, and then all the way up to boiling. So I love that there's complete control there. Then once you've reached a certain temperature, then you can just press the little keep warm button, and then that will keep the pot warm for, I think it's up to 2 hours. I'm going to turn it off here and just show you quickly how the tea works. The top has a little locking inner inset here, and you just strictly turn it to unlock. The top comes off, and then the little infuser basket goes right inside. Very, very simple, and it is a nice stainless steel infuser basket. So you just would lock this back, and then you're ready to go for tea. And we did try it the other day, and it makes a delicious pot of tea. Everything cleans up really well too. Once again, very simple to get it back out. So you can either use it strictly as a hot pot or use it as a teapot. Either way, I love it. It cleans up easily, like I said, because it's got a full mouth to it. So it's very simple to just get your hand in there and clean it, and keeps warm. Does great temperature options. Thumbs up.
This is too techy for me, but I'm going to try it. So if you look closely, you turn this knob, you bring it to boil temperature for coffee, keep it warm. I guess baby formula, that's pretty cool. Didn't have these things when my kids were babies. And then you can also do custom temp. And it's got a warmer so you can keep it warm. And then you tap it and it's on. Let's see how long it boils, how long it takes to boil.
All these nice options. You can keep it warm. You can pick a custom temperature if you want. You can go real high or real low. But I'm just gonna boil this bad boy. It's really nice. I like this part about it.